Pepito is this little boy growing up in this country called Bolivia. Well, they don't have tons and tons and tons of toys that they don't play with. But you know what they do have? Well, they have mom and dad, and there's always running and chasing and screaming and tickling and giggling, and man, it's just a wonderful family. Oh, you know what would be amazing? Oh my gosh, if Luciana loves música as much as I do, then me and Luciana and Pablo, we can all play música together, like in a band or something. Oh my gosh, that would be awesome. Well, it would be awesome. It's like, look, I know things are really, really tough right now, but I just want to say thank you. Thank you for, all the hard work that you guys are doing, taking care of. Oh my gosh, Pepito gets an idea. That's it. He's digging until he finds. Yes, una botella. I present to you Pepito and the Trash Cans, and the crowd goes wild. Woo! You are not trash. You are not this or that or whatever they say you are. You are more than meets the eye. You are more than meets the eye. Look inside. You are treasure. You are treasure. So come, take a look. See for yourself.